Welcome to Photography Fundamentals. Whether you're using a smartphone or a professional camera, understanding the core principles of photography will transform your content from ordinary to extraordinary. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore everything you need to know to capture stunning images consistently. Great photography is the foundation of compelling visual content. It draws viewers in, tells your story more effectively, and sets your work apart from the competition. When your images look professional and polished, your entire brand elevates. Quality visuals lead to higher engagement, more subscribers, and better content overall. Photography skills are essential whether you're creating YouTube videos, social media posts, or promotional materials. The exposure triangle is the most fundamental concept in photography. It consists of three elements: aperture, shutter speed, and ISO. Aperture controls how much light enters through the lens opening. Shutter speed determines how long the sensor captures light. ISO is the sensor's sensitivity to light. These three work together to create the perfect exposure. Adjust one, and you must compensate with the others to maintain proper brightness. Aperture is measured in f-stops like f2.8, f5.6, or f16. A lower f-number like f2.8 means a wider opening that lets in more light. A higher f-number like f16 means a smaller opening that lets in less light. Wide apertures create a blurred background, perfect for portraits and focusing attention on your subject. Narrow apertures keep everything sharp and in focus, ideal for landscapes and detailed shots. Shutter speed is measured in fractions of a second or full seconds. Common speeds are 1/1000, 1/250, 1/30, or 2 seconds. Fast shutter speeds like 1/1000 freeze motion perfectly for action shots and moving subjects. Slow shutter speeds like 2 seconds create motion blur, which works great for flowing water, light trails, and creative effects. Choose your shutter speed based on whether you want a freeze or blur movement. ISO controls how sensitive your camera's sensor is to light. Low ISO values like 100 or 400 produce clean, noise-free images but require more light. High ISO values like 3000 or 6000 help in dim lighting but introduce grain or noise into your photos. In bright daylight, use low ISO for perfect clarity. In low light conditions, increase ISO to keep your images bright but expect some graininess as a trade-off. Strong composition is what separates average photos from captivating ones. The rule of thirds divides your frame into 9 equal sections using 2 horizontal and 2 vertical lines. Place important subjects along these lines or at their intersections for visual interest. Leading lines guide the viewer's eye through the image using paths, roads, or other lines. Framing uses natural elements around your subject to draw attention. Depth and layers create dimension by including foreground, subject, and background elements. Lighting is everything in photography. The direction of light determines shadows and highlights. Front lighting illuminates the subject face on, but can appear flat. Side lighting creates dimension and drama. Backlighting separates the subject from the background beautifully. The quality of light matters too. Hard light from the sun creates sharp shadows and high contrast. Soft light from clouds or diffuse sources creates flattering, gentle shadows. Golden hour, the time shortly after sunrise or before sunset, provides the most flattering warm light for any subject. To become a skilled photographer, focus on mastering these core fundamentals. Balance the exposure triangle perfectly by understanding how aperture, shutter speed, and ISO work together. Apply composition rules like the rule of thirds and leading lines to guide your viewer's eyes. Master lighting direction, quality, and temperature to set the mood and create depth. Control white balance to ensure consistent, professional-looking colors across all your content. Start shooting today. Great photography comes from consistent practice and application, not from expensive equipment. The more you shoot, the better you'll become.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.